You ready now? You're like, I've been ready. Okay, go honey. Yeah? We're starting. Under your ear. We're gonna get this one. This is a good side right now. Yeah. One more big pop, I want to hear it. You're close, you can see the mouth too. Open up. Can you try me on the side? You can do one more on this side. Down, point down in the mouth so you can see this color. Can you see it? Watch them cut. One more big cough. Good job. Ready? We're gonna go to the other side. Double. Ready? Inhale. Cough. Good. Inhale. Cough. Good cough. Double. Quick. Another quick one. Okay, here we go, suction. We're going to pull you back up now. Finish. I want you to do the nasal suction as last pump. Ready? Get back in position, Joey. So, this is our hospital bed so we can get him on a nice incline and see how nice and open his airway is. Show him your mouth, Joey. Cough and show him how big you cough. I'm going to do your nose now. What? I'll put it on the computer, okay? For all the other mommies and daddies. Show the inside of here. Oh my goodness, Joey. That was a long one. Show his heart rate going up so they can see what's going on. Good job. Ready for your last cough? Ready?
Yeah.
When's in his playpen? Big coughs. Good job. One more. Want to hear a cough? What's alien? Terror birds are aliens.
Yeah.
Don't be saying crazy stuff, Jay. Everyone's gonna think you're crazy.
Really?
Terror birds are dinosaurs. Prehistoric creatures. But, hey, maybe there's a terror bird living on another planet.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a couple real quick ones. Ready? Breathe. One more. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. See, I'm all done. Wait, let me turn this off so they can hear you.
I open it for you.
Say bye-bye.
So do you want your BiPAP back on?
Yes.
Okay,
Let me try something.
good.
I made the camera on this pen.
Stop talking about terror birds and tell them who you are.
Joey.
Joey what?
Joey something?
How old are you?
5.
Are you going to be 6 soon?
Yes.
So you have a birthday coming up.
Why am I talking to myself?
You're so cute.